Marketing is dead. Now I'm talking about old school methods that most business owners are using heavily even today. Only problem is they don't work the way they used to. So take flyers for example. What do people do with them most of the time? Yep, they toss them away. You'd be lucky if even 2% to 3% of them answer your ad. And you can't do anything to reach out to the rest. Cold calling, I don't know. Do you enjoy getting cold called? Or do you enjoy doing the cold calls? Yeah, I thought so. Newspapers? Yeah, people don't really read the papers these days. And then there's billboard ads, there's radio ads, there's TV ads. These things cost a bomb and yet they work only a tiny fraction of the way they used to. You probably realize by now that people are mostly hanging out in one place today, and that's their phones, or at least behind a computer screen. Bill Gates once famously said, if your business is not on the internet, soon you'll be out of business. This is why I think being adaptable is important, and there's no better time than now to do digital marketing. My name is Edmund, and I've been doing just that since 2005. I've created a 7-figure business selling my own products and services purely through the internet. And I started at a time where most people were not even thinking about it. Well, the good news is you are still in time, and this is the best time to be online. So I'll be doing a live 2-hour class showcasing my signature 4-step funnel process to roping in leads and clients with the power of social media and email. So for many reasons, I should be charging for this training, but I want to first prove my value to you. Therefore, I'm doing this free of charge. And you'll get to see why my clients and students are getting results. So what I want you to do right now is click on this post or go to the link edmundlo.net/BWW. The last time I did this, the room was packed out. So reserve your spot quick because there are only so many seats. I'll be distilling all my years of digital marketing experience into this 2-hour class. So find out how you can do that and be ahead of your competition. My name is Edmund, and I'll see you there.